Yeah. Whoa. This is for my soldiers. Real soldiers. Yeah. This is for my fallen soldiers. We miss you. I know you gone, we with you. Camp on the battlefield. Life is so real. This is for my fallen soldiers. We miss you. I know you gone, we with you. Camp on the battlefield.
Island Coast Entertainment, telling you much respect and much love. The two hottest divas on the scene, catching each and every moment, play by play. It is the Fyah sisters, always doing their thing, always on the beat. You never miss a target. Everythingblazing.com, big up yourself. You know, so nah, miss a beat. Island Coast, one love.
Every American in the building make some noise. Alright with me. Okay, now all South Americans, any Guyanese, Brazilians, Antigua, Bermuda, Barbados, anybody from Haiti, anybody from El Salvador, anybody from Trinidad and Tobago, anybody from Barbuda, anybody from Aruba, anybody from Cayman Islands, anybody from Jamaica in the building, make some noise! All Caribbean people, make some noise! I'm so everybody who rebuked the devil wants to dance on the floor right now.
We're coming to you outside Club Exposed. We just left Bentley's. Big up Khalil Wonder, Bert Trump tonight. Just make sure you watch the clip, enjoy, and we'll see you inside Club Exposed. Big up.
Birthday boy, what I need to market? Right on! Where's the water? Who built the boy?
Fyah sisters, you understand? We're not even going to talk about the thing, but just want to enjoy myself. Yes, because I am getting older. So here we go, people. I turn it over to Mr. Lagos British. When they ask the star.
Oh,
our next room. No. Fuck them, sir. Hey, baby. Yeah, alright. Don't fuck that, alright. Sit down.
This one on the wall. This one on the wall. This one on the wall.
You know what's your last name?
Alright, gentle people, please remember that we're doing the advertisement from now on. You want to put an ad for your party, your wedding, your restaurant, your club, your gas station, I don't know.
For yourself.
For yourself.
Pick up yourself.
I get people a call already. Please remember that we're doing the ads now. Give us a call at 678-368-6158 for the ads. Edited my Model T. Please give us a call. We're doing that now. You know that they're all over YouTube. YouTube famous, no?